Hey guys, welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter a referral code on Shein to get discounts on your purchases. Be sure to watch the video till the end and follow along step by step to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Browse through Shein's collection and select the product you want to buy. Once you've made your choice, tap on the item to view details and then add it to your cart. After adding the item, tap the cart icon located at the top right corner of your screen to view all the items you've added. Next, tap on the checkout button at the bottom right of the screen. You'll be directed to the order confirmation page. On the confirmation page, scroll down until you see the Apply Coupon option. Tap on it, and you'll see a field to enter your referral code. Type in your Shein referral code and hit Apply. If the code is valid, your discount will automatically be applied to your total. Go back to the order page, select your payment method, and tap Continue to complete your purchase. That's it. Now you know how to enter a referral code on Shein and